Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute wall decor that's basically a Dollar Tree project that you can put anywhere from your kitchen to your bathroom to your bedroom. So let's get started. First thing that I'm going to do is fold my Bowdabra bow wire in half, lay it into my Mini Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take these little succulents and just lay them into my Bowdabra. Take this one, just lay it into my Mini Bowdabra as well. Then I'm going to take this really pretty 5-inch wide ribbon and I'm just going to make a ruffle or scrunchy bow, scrunching it into my Mini Bowdabra. We're just going to get that all scrunched down in here and push it in, fold it over, and there we have the beginning of our bow. Then what I'm going to do is take my second ribbon, and again we're just going to scrunch it down into the Mini Bowdabra. It's really simple, and I'm just going to fold the end over here and now tuck it into the Mini. Then I'm just going to take, well, it looks like I'm taking my Mini Bowdabra wand, and I'm just going to grab my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Mini Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and we're going to tie a knot here, and then tie another knot. And I'm just going to clip the ends, scissors, and I'm going to take my decor here. We're just going to take this off. Basically, this was just a wooden hanger that we bought at Dollar Tree and just took some brown paint and just smoothed it on there so it's like a stain. Then the first thing that I'm going to do is take my hot glue gun and I'm just going to put a little dot here. And now I'm going to just take my beautiful little swag and put that right on the top. Press it down so that it'll be, and once it's dried, I can shape it a little bit. Now we've also colored all of these, and I'm going to start by just taking this, and fortunately this fits perfectly in the box. So we're just going to put that aside. Then I'm going to take this one, I'm going to put some glue down here, and we're going to take this and we're just going to glue that on. Then I'm going to take my cute little tea light, which again is from Dollar Tree, and lay that down in here. Then I'm going to take this one, and again I'm going to just put my glue all up here, and I'm just going to put this succulent down here. So you can see how super simple and easy this is to make. I'm just going to move this up a little bit, and I'm going to take my last little box. And what we did is we bought these little succulents at Dollar Tree, and they have the clip on them. So we just took the skewers that we also bought at Dollar Tree, just clipped it onto the skewer, and I'm just going to put this one, and we already put, you can see we already put floral foam and moss in here. So now I'm just going to put this one going this way and take this succulent and just scrunch that down in there. So everything is really taut. Bring these around here. Then again, I'm just going to take my glue gun and just bring this like this and put this one, whoops, it looks like that one I have to put in a little tighter. There we go. And now just lay everything down. We have plenty of room here. And there you have your finished project. Isn't that adorable that you can hang pretty much anywhere?